Hey ladies, welcome back to another wig install. So today's wig is from Lollyhair, and you guys, this is the perfect beginner wig to have. This is their 5x5 pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached wig. It's in 20 inches, and you guys, she literally comes straight out the box, ready to go. There is nothing that you have to do to this wig whatsoever, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it was to install. So of course, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that came along with the wig. Now, once again, this wig is from Lollyhair, and it is their 5x5 wear and go glueless wig that comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it also comes pre-bleached for you. Look at that lace, you guys. Literally nothing you have to do when it comes to the lace. Now, the texture is a water wave texture, and again, this wig is 100% glueless. This wig does have a lot of bounce to it. Like, the curls are super pretty. So inside of the wig cap, you do have the 3 combs, the adjustable elastic band, and I'm also going to show you guys how much lace room you actually have inside of the unit as well. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure. This lace though is a little bit more transparent, just so you guys are aware. So the first thing that I have to do is add a little bit of foundation onto the lace. That way it can match my skin color a lot better. So after adding some foundation onto the lace, you're going to want to adjust that adjustable strap to your preference and then just throw the wig right on. Now, me personally, I do like to use the combs that come inside of the wig unit, mostly because it helps to lay the lace a lot flatter. That way I don't have to use product to really secure it down and have it look melted. However, the lace is 100% secure with just the adjustable strap in itself. So using the combs is completely up to you. It's just an extra step that I like to do just to really make sure that the lace is looking a lot more flat. So right now, I'm just looking at the wig, making sure everything is in place, and then I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to ensure that all of the hair is out of my way, because I will be adding a little bit more foundation on the tip of that lace as well. I know you guys can see it on camera. Even though she's looking extremely natural, she's also looking a little bit too white. That's what happens when you have like a transparent color lace. So I'm just dabbing some foundation, that way she could blend in a lot better. Alright, so we're making some progress. So right now I will be adding a lighter foundation right in that middle part. And the reason why I'm going in with the lighter foundation is because your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone. So I'm really just trying to mimic that. But she's looking really good after the foundation application. So now I am just going part by part, section by section with my wax stick and my hot comb. I will not be gliding my hot comb through the curls. You guys will notice I'm only doing it at the very top of the wig. And that is because I really want to make sure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible, because that helps to really mold the hair in the shape that you want it to and cover up any additional lace, because I will not be adding any additional baby hair. But while I am doing this step, I want you guys to realize how much lace room we have. Even though this is a 5x5 lace closure, is giving the room and the look of a frontal. Okay, one side is completed. You guys see how it's covering up all that additional lace, and look at it compared to the other side. That is exactly why this step is super important. So now I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb one more time, just making sure the wig is laying exactly where I want it to, and make sure she's looking extremely natural. And of course, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups as well once this step is completed, and then we will go ahead and style the rest of the hair. So I'll come back once we get to that part. Alright, so I did one side off camera, and I'm going to give you guys a comparison on the wet side versus the dry side. This is a water wave texture, and you guys know I love me some water wave wigs because they are super easy and quick to style, and being that this is a 3-second wig install, it's just fitting for this texture to be so easy to do. So all I did was just add a little bit of water, and as you guys can see, I am just gliding my fingers right through the hair. This hair was definitely silky, and it was also very bouncy as well. She was not tangling nor shedding, which is why my hands were able to just glide right through the hair with no issues whatsoever, as you guys are seeing on camera. And by the way, this texture is 180% density. However, she looks a whole lot more fuller than that. So after saturating the hair with water, I just used a little bit of gel just to set the curls, and I'm just rubbing it right through the hair. Again, my hands are able to just glide right through this hair, you guys. Super easy and super quick. I didn't have to go like strand by strand and try to recreate the curls or go section by section, which I was thankful for because I don't be feeling like doing all that, to be honest with you. So this wig is literally like a throw on and go type of wig, even down to the curls. Like, you really do not have to do too much whatsoever. Okay, so after scrunching the hair, this is basically it, you guys. Also, I did not have to go in with a diffuser or my blow dryer. The curls set extremely fast, which again is perfect for this type of wig, and she's looking extremely pretty. So I just let her air dry, and this is how the hair looked afterwards. Super pretty. The curls were still very bouncy and still very defined. This wig is perfect for all my beginners out there. Make sure you guys check out my description box. I'll have the direct link and all of the wig information listed there for you guys. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in, and shout out to Lollyhair. You guys definitely need to go ahead and get you this wig. I'll see you next time.